There. This is the loser of Farkle.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
15
8,
spins of death.
9, 10, if I took me over 11, 20, come on! 14, 15, hey, that's it!
Oh my gosh!
There's a board there. Pink. Yeah, that's the soft pillow. There's the hard landing and the soft landing. I think you were off course a little bit there. That was a half an hour ago, Joel.
And I almost tipped over twice.